So here we are again out on my porch because it's the only nice place to record that's not dark and gloomy on the inside. But today I have a quick little video, super simple. All I'm going to be doing is upgrading my headlight on my Sportster to an LED headlight, like a knockoff Daymaker, but the Daymaker is way too overpriced, and you can pick up an equal quality, if not better, version on Amazon for like $45, 45 to like 65, depending on if you want to get like a halo ring or not. There's like 4 other brands that make them. Sorry there haven't been many videos. I haven't really had the funds to buy the parts to do videos that I want to do. I'm working on getting a job right now with COVID and stuff going on. I haven't really been able to do stuff. So once I get a job and start getting some cash flow in, I'll be doing a radio on my truck. And there's a few other things I had planned, but I can't think of them now right on the spot. So when my headlight arrives, it's coming from Amazon today. Once I get that, I'll open it up for you, show everything's in the box, and throw it on for you. So here we have the headlight. It's packaged pretty well. I have gloves on, so I don't touch the lens and get like any oils on it or anything, because I am making food at the same time as this. It came with an instruction manual, which is, it's pretty basic shit, and I'm pretty sure it only comes with the headlight. All the retaining stuff is on your bike, so I'm gonna get down there, film me taking that off, and then put this bad boy in. Okay, so here I have my Iron 1200. It's a Sportster. This is going to be the same on all Sportsters, except if you have a fairing. There's just 2 bolts on the top that I'll show you that you have to take out, and then on the bottom of the headlight there's a retaining ring that you just take out with a screwdriver, and that's basically it. Okay, so here we have the 2 bolts on the top. Bing, bing. It's a 1/4 inch hex drive bit. I've taken them out a bunch, so they're pretty easy to get out. Just keep track of them. Next we have 2 little bolts that are 5/32 hex bits that you need to take out. So up here is that little screw I was talking about. It's just a Phillips head. So what you do is you just unscrew this. Oops. This little nut came off. Oop. You just want to be careful, because after you take that retaining ring off, the whole thing falls out. Ugh. We have the back of the headlight here. There's just a couple clips. There you go. Now for the new one, I'm wearing gloves, just so I don't get anything on this lens, because fingers can be greasy sometimes, and you never know why. So basically, just take this, plug this into this, bada bing. And once you got the retaining ring on, you want to slide the bolt back through. So, sorry I had to cut there. A guy with his lattice truck exhaust was just idling right there for like the longest time, and I needed a little help getting the retaining ring on the headlight on. So while I just called my girlfriend down and she gave me a hand, and while I was doing that, I also put the fairing on. Basically, it's kind of a bitch to get that nut off. I don't know if you have to take that whole screw out or not, but I did, and if you can do it without doing that, do it without taking the whole screw out, because that was kind of an ass to do. So right now, I'm just going to screw up a little more, position the fairing correctly, and put all those bolts back in, and there you go. Okay, so we have it here, all done. So looks great, bright as fuck, even in the daytime. Sorry, I have the burps. There was one thing I did wrong. I put the spacers for the fairing in the wrong place. I fixed that, fits much better. Other than that, $45, not a bad purchase. I'm gonna record a little bit tonight about how it lights up in the dark, and I'll post that review at the end of this video, and I'll see you in a second. So I'm out here at night. It's not totally night, it's evening, but yeah, this thing is already way brighter than the last one, and the brights aren't even on. It's a little angled down, but you know, it should be fine. It's great. It's great looking. I love it, and I can't wait to use it on the road. So in total, that $45 new light was actually pretty worth it. Was the install kind of annoying because it was made in China and it's not exactly the same as stock? Yes, but I'm going to be enjoying this thing a lot. Now, with that specific headlight, and I'll put a link to it on Amazon in the description below. With that specific headlight, it's got condensation issues, but we'll see. I don't think I'm going to be too worried about it because it's supposed to let. I'm guessing it has condensation issues because it lets the water in and out, so it doesn't stay. Patty's trying to eat me. But other than that, I'm really excited to use it on the road, and I'm pretty happy with it. So I'll catch you in the next one.